Cat and Mice coming at you. Got some Maroon 6s here. Been brought to me today to work some magic on them. Pretty much just do a deep cleaning. Go ahead and let you see the whole shoe. Dirty spots. What needs to be cleaned. And surprisingly, I was surprised that these 6s didn't have any creasing like the normal 6s have. I mean, a little bit, but you can barely see them. But there's no creasing on these. So yeah, all I'm doing on these is a deep cleaning, which is not that bad. It's just a few little spots like that. Right here in the back. And again, Maroon 6s. I'll be back with the finished product. SEDUCTIVESOLES back at you. I just recorded a video about these Maroon 6s that I had to do a cleaning on, and as you can see, we got black right here on the soles where it's supposed to be ice. Well, there's none on this side, but then on this side we got black. So originally I was just supposed to do a deep clean on these, or cleaning on these, so I figured this black was ink. So now the plan has changed. Now I'm gonna do a sole dye on these. So I'm gonna dye the sole black to cover up those ink spots. And then, as always, I always add my own little twist. So dye the sole black with my own twist. Of course, my twist will be easy and simple. I'll be back with the finished product. Back, finished product. This was white, I painted it black. Gonna give you a quick rundown. So originally, I was just supposed to clean these shoes, deep clean them, get the scuffs and all that kind of stuff off. But then I ran into an issue where on the ice midsole there were some black stains. So that turned out to be ink. So then the plan switched to just dyeing the sole. So that's what I was going about doing, and I messed up. I've been doing shoes for 4 years. It's the first time that I messed up on a shoe and had to pay a customer, but they didn't want me to pay. They just told me it's cool, add your twist to the shoes, which is what I did. So I dyed the midsole black, and then as you can see with the rest of the shoe, I just painted it black because I ended up getting some dye on a toe box or whatever. So these shoes are a gift. The guy's graduating from A&M, so it went hand in hand as far as adding the black to match with the maroon. But again, I messed up on the shoes. Not afraid to say that, but I fixed my problem, and it turned out better than the original plan was. So keep customers, be honest, let them know what's up. You won't have any problems. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.